Now, we all knew that when Jeep decided to put a 2-liter turbo into the Wrangler JL, that the aftermarket exhaust companies were going to decide to come up with exhaust systems to make that sound a little more aggressive. And well, with the hella yellow Giveaway Wrangler having that 2-liter turbo, that's exactly what we want, is an exhaust that'll bring out a little bit more of that exhaust note, make it sound a little more primal, a little less pedestrian. So we decided to try out the Tread Edition axle back exhaust from AWE. Now, AWE has been building aftermarket exhaust systems for 30 years. They build them for, well, the supercar scene, the import scene, they even build it for American muscle. And now they're bringing those years of experience to the Jeep world. Now, a couple things we like about the AWE exhaust is that it's built right here in the USA. And this kit is 100% bolt-on. No cutting, no welding needed, meaning that you can install this in your driveway. Now, one of our big concerns are these big tips that come with the Tread kit. If you're a hardcore wheeler, well, you might want to look at one of their trail systems that uses more of a tucked up, hidden away tip to keep it away from those rocks and other trail obstacles. But if you're a mall crawler, if you're a beach crawler, you just want something stylish under the back of your Jeep, take a close look at these Tread systems. Now, these are easy to install, so let's show you how it's installed and then give you some sound bites and show you the difference between the stock and the AWE equipped 2-liter turbo. We're going to start here at this junction. This takes a 15mm socket. On each side of the muffler is the exhaust hanger brackets. There's 2 bolts that hold it in. They're both a 13mm head. One goes left to right into the frame and the other goes front to back into a bracket on the frame. Now grab a hold of your muffler and see if you can twist it on that pipe up at the axle end. Just get it to move a little bit. Now to remove the exhaust hangers, squirt a little soapy water or something in there to get that nice and loose. And if you're into fun tools, this little guy makes it really easy. But you can also grab them and just work them back and forth and off they come. Now we take our bushings and slide them up onto the AWE hanger. You have 4 regular style exhaust clamps. The larger of the 4 is going to slide onto the T-junction.
Take your stop collars, and they're going to slide up onto the brackets on the outside of the rubber mounts. And we'll just tighten them up.
So we're going to tighten the clamp just enough so that we can hold the weight of the pipe and the tip until we have everything lined up.
We get it a little too tight. There we go.
So use a tape measure to make sure you have the dual mufflers centered underneath the frame, and then you can start tightening up your clamps. And do a little check, make sure we're level left to right. We want to make sure that we're centered under the frame. And we're ready to get this on the ground and see what this new exhaust sounds like. Now, taking a quick look at those tips, they're big. That black chrome definitely looks good. It definitely fits the daily driver theme of this Jeep. But for the weekend warrior off-road duties, that might be a little vulnerable. We'll see. This thing spools up faster. So at the factory, you can definitely hear the wind noise more than you can hear the exhaust. There's a picture for you. 555 miles. So what do you think? Did we hit a nice aggressive sound with that 2-liter turbo? And the AWE Tread Edition Axleback exhaust system is definitely louder and it is throatier. And thanks to AWE's 180-degree technology, droning is almost non-existent. So if you're looking to add some more sound to your 2-liter turbo or your 3.6 V6, hit that description box down below for links to the various AWE exhaust systems we have here at Northridge 4x4. And remember, if you like that big tip look, then stick with the Tread Edition exhaust systems. If you're looking for something a little more trail friendly, well then take a closer look at AWE's Trail Edition exhaust systems. And then if you're looking for more information on the giveaway Jeeps, this 2021 Hella Yella Giveaway Wrangler or that 2020 Stingray Gladiator, well, hit that link down below. That'll take you to the official Giveaway Jeeps page at our website. And until next time, thanks for watching our video. We'll see you again soon.